Five people died after a country boat in which the idol of goddess Durga was being used for during the immersion suddenly capsized with the weight of the idol. The incident occurred in the middle of a water body in Murshidabad when the idol, which was laden between two country boats, suddenly tilted to one side, capsizing one of the boats which had devotees. The bodies of the five men, all residents of Beldanga, were fished out of the Dumni water body by divers. The incident took place on Monday. Divers are still looking for any remaining bodies in the water. Police and disaster management teams work jointly in the rescue operation. Following a 350-year-old tradition, a certain section of people in Malda bid the goddess Durga farewell with lit lanterns during the immersion in the river Mahananda. The late King Ramchandra Roy had started this puja 350 years ago, and the tradition has been maintained over the years. In various districts of North Bengal, the Rajbangshis have started the puja of the goddess Bhandani. The goddess is considered Durga in a different form. The puja is generally performed in the jungles, and the goddess is also considered the god of forests by this group of people. But this time, a 115-year-old puja is being performed in a school playground due to the restrictions for the corona pandemic. A fair which is held during the ceremony has also been cancelled due to the government restrictions, much to the dismay of especially the children of the area. Please like our Facebook page and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss the latest updates from News at 9.